Today I'd like to introduce our Herbalife ABCD plan to everyone. If you're completely new to Herbalife products, you can start with Plan A. Plan A includes 1 can of Formula 1 Nutritional Shake Mix. There are 7 flavors available in Hong Kong. This can provide 20 meals. If you replace 2 meals a day, it will last about 10 days, allowing you to see results and experience how weight management works. As for Plan B, it's the Nutritional Three Drinks, which contains 3 essential products: herbal aloe concentrate, NRG tea, and 1 can of Formula 1 Nutritional Shake Mix. I usually teach my clients to first mix the aloe concentrate and NRG tea with warm water in the morning to help cleanse the body, which then improves the absorption of the shake. By making these 3 drinks a daily habit, you can easily manage your weight. NRG tea, known as guarana tea, is made from the seeds of a South American shrub. It supports adrenal function, helps reduce fatigue, eliminates water retention, and regulates the digestive system, benefiting both constipation and diarrhea. The preparation is simple. Mix 3 capfuls of aloe concentrate and 2 scoops of NRG tea with 500 milliliters of warm water, and drink it through a straw for better comfort. After finishing this, you can make your shake for breakfast. To prepare the shake, mix 2 scoops of Formula 1 with 1 scoop of personalized protein powder, PPP, then add 250 to 400 milliliters of water, adjust to your preferred thickness. For most women, this will keep them full for 4 hours. If you're heavier or have a larger build, you can ask a coach or me to help calculate your ideal portion. In Plan B, the aloe concentrate and NRG tea will last about 10 days, and the shake also lasts approximately 10 days. Next, Plan C is more comprehensive. It includes 1 can of Formula 1 Nutritional Shake Mix, 1 can of personalized protein powder, PPP, 1 bottle of herbal aloe concentrate, 1 bottle of NRG tea, and 1 can of active fiber complex. If you're overweight or underweight, prone to hunger, or need extra protein, the PPP is perfect. Adding it to your shake boosts texture, keeps you full longer, and enhances results. If you rarely eat vegetables or have irregular bowel movements, the active fiber complex is ideal for you. This plan is well-rounded, and you'll see noticeable results in just 10 days. Finally, Plan D is a full 30-day supply: 3 cans of Formula 1 Nutritional Shake Mix, 3 cans of personalized protein powder, PPP, 2 cans of active fiber complex, 1 bottle of herbal aloe concentrate, and 1 bottle of NRG tea, just enough for 1 month. Formula 1 comes in flavors like vanilla, chocolate, wild berry, cookies and cream, cafe latte, mint chocolate, and red bean barley. Herbal aloe concentrate is available in original, mandarin, and grape, and active fiber complex comes in original and apple flavors. Many of my clients use Plan D, combined with 168 intermittent fasting and a low-sugar diet, to lose 5 to 8 pounds in a month with great results. So you can choose based on your needs. If you're still building confidence or worried about sticking to it, go for Plan A or B. If you're determined and want faster results with a goal of losing 5 to 8 pounds in a month, Plan C or D is the way to go. The choice is yours. If you'd like to try it, feel free to contact me right away. Also, please share this video with friends who also want to lose weight or live healthier. Don't forget to like this video, follow my channel, leave a comment if you have any questions, and share it with everyone around you. I wish you all at least 5 to 8 pounds of weight loss this month and good health. See you next time. Bye.